The secret of bakers, I only make recipes like this now. I'll start by cutting 4 bananas in a blender. We will also add 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, and half a cup of sugar. I'll beat it to mix all the ingredients. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sophie Lozafata from Australia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. In a saucepan, I will put half a cup of sugar. Let's stir until we reach the caramel point. Now I will add half a cup of water gradually. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. It has become one of my favorite desserts since I first tried it. Let's transfer the mixture we prepared into a mold. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you how to make this wonderful recipe. With the help of a spatula, I will spread the melted sugar throughout the pan. Best of all, this dessert uses only a few ingredients present in everyday life. Next, I will transfer the mixture we prepared in the blender into the pan. I'm sure you will be surprised with the final result. Using a little foil, we will cover the pan completely. I'm sure you'll get into your routine just like you got into mine. It is impossible to eat just one piece because it is really very delicious. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to make this recipe. It is a great option to ensure a differentiated afternoon coffee. Now I'm going to put the mold with our recipe in another bigger mold. Let's add water halfway. This way I'm doing it. And bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. I'm sure you've never prepared a dessert like this using bananas before. When I take to my family reunions, everyone asks me to teach the secret to making such a good pudding. It's a tradition in my family. I prepare it myself almost every week. After I discovered this recipe, I never wanted to eat pudding otherwise. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.